Welcome to MoleHill News. I am MoleHill. Hopefully this is educational, perhaps maybe entertaining, but it's never, ever, ever construed as financial advice. Holy shit. There's like a murder scene in this. Oh my god, what happened here? Can you tell I already started? By name, what the hell? Pardon me. It's long. It's not the Rona. Thank God. Okay. Bitcoin, just under 58K. Second place, Ethereum, 1.7. Binance, 264 in third. I think they knocked Cardano in third last night. Cardano in fourth, 123. Tether in fifth. Polkadot, 35.45 in sixth place. XRP, 47 cents. Uniswap, eighth place, 30.20. Litecoin 201.60 in ninth place. Chainlink 29.64 in 10th place. Who's the fastest movers in the last 24? Cardano got bombed on. Let's go back the other way. Pundi 40.51. Harmony 28.45. OMG Network 11.21. Scicoin 11. Theta 10. BitTorrent 10. And Crypto.com at 12. Dude, I'm like really curious. What the fuck happened? Sorry, I'm just like, Cardano's on the bottom? Yikes! Digibyte, what happened? Oh, guys. What's interesting is there's numbers for the people losing the most is always outweighed by the people gaining. Crypto's always gaining as a whole. Don't forget. Crypto never forgets. God damn. Don't smoke right before you hit record, kids. Okay. Hit smoke after you hit record. Okay, it's been about a day and a half. It's gone up about 5%. Right after we got off the phone, looks like we blew through that resistance. We had a good run, some pretty stiff support, but we just fell right through it for some reason as we got ready to hit 60K, that is. Yeah. Bounce off 55K. A real hard bounce. Took a serious run at 60. Someone tried to push some selling pressure down, but we really made it just a bit. And then fell right back down through some thin ass support. And bounced off of 55 a little bit, but made it all the way down. Excuse me, it's been 5. Jesus Christ, Todd. 57,500 the whole time I've been trying to say that. It's been now bounced down to almost to 56,000. Bouncing up right now, trying to fight our way back through some resistance. I don't know, bud. Better calm down over there, MF Doom. Let's get some like more details. Baseline is pointing straight up, trying to fight its way through the resistance. The conversion line is doing that. The baseline is just kind of sitting there like a lump, just going straight ahead. The lagging indicator is trying to get up ahead, but it is also kind of pointed down. So I'd say it's kind of a wash, kind of an upward signal, but not a strong one. Oof, that's a strong downward signal though, so EMA is being down. I'm thinking Bitcoin's going to just ride here sideways for a little while. There's a lot of buying pressure that I don't think these signals are accounting for, but some significant downward pressure. CRO is on the fast movers because it got a little bit deeper in bed with Visa, so that's cool for them. They've already been issued on Visa in the States for some time because I've had that card for about a year. It's my first cryptocurrency spending experience, which was fun. It was Crypto.com on a debit card. Yeah, decent program, decent platform. Not the best, but not the worst. Little shady how they like wrote off their MCO coins, but I don't know. Well, anyways, they did say that they did that so they could get more involved with Visa and stuff like that, and here they are more involved, so you know, maybe there's some truth to that. All right, this EIP story will never go away, at least not till another couple months. Ethereum mining pool has introduced MEV beta program, which will increase Estimates an 10%. 8% of the profit collected will go to buyers. All right. Blah, 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 1559. Talked plenty about it. However, the mining pool Ethermine has now implemented MEV software. It aims to minimize the loss of those profits and temper the miners. I just don't like the way they write this shit. MEV beta program with 80% of the proceeds distributed with block mining rewards, 5% in support. Ethereum ecosystem with Gitcoin scholarships and the remainder to develop further MEV strategies. That's actually pretty cool what they're doing with that last 20%. Yeah. And then they're going to be able to increase profits by 10%. Strategy, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. I'm okay with most of this article, I guess, until, like, miners have accused Ethereum developers of being unresponsive to their concerns. That's a severe underwording. I made a video about this improvement project already. In that video, have clips of something that's a lot more aggressive than simply being unresponsive. So we can just sum it up in saying that they're outright hostile and insulting. And you can look for the video footage of that if you want. I don't need to beat a dead horse, but it's there. It's in video. It's there for all time. So whatever. Have announced, and a group of them have announced a 51-hour redirection of their hash power to Ethermine on April 1st. Okay, they did announce that, and then they rescinded that because Michael Carter from Bitsby Trippin has written EIP 3368, I want to say, but don't quote me on the number. But it was written by him. He's presenting it tomorrow at the developers conference. Because they gave him a chance to represent and the EIP at the conference, he went ahead and called off the 51-hour redirect on Ethermine, and Red Panda went ahead and like echoed that. So to say that this is like an announced thing that's happening, like impending future tense, is incorrect. It's already been called back, and I don't have any idea who was calling for a fork. I don't think that's true. I've actually reached out to my man Ronaldo to ask. I'm not accusing him of anything doing wrong. He is literally a journalist, so he probably knows something I don't, and I'm just curious. But I did reach out to ask because I have been really following this and don't know anything about a fork. I think there is already a fork. It's called Ethereum Classic. It's not even bad. I'm not even knocking it. If you want to fork off Ethereum, just join the people that already did. So, anyways, that doesn't make any sense to me, so I'm just trying to get to the bottom of who the hell's talking about something so stupid. But that's the show. Thank you for joining. As always, tomorrow I won't cough so much. I'll take my inhaler and I'll smoke afterwards.